Hello and welcome to HighDesign. HighDesign is an architectural design and project documentation software for professionals in the architecture, engineering and construction industry. What makes HighDesign stand out? Well, its intuitive interface makes creating, editing and presenting your projects an easy and time-effective process. The extensive set of drafting and documentation tools offer you the freedom to experiment and refine your ideas. Advanced options for organizing your project, the layers, sheets, details, schedules, and layouts allow you to have total control over every part and phase of your design. Built for architecture, HighDesign lets you design using the same elements you're already familiar with: basic and compound walls, doors and windows, columns and pillars. Architectural elements are parametric and can contain information. HighDesign uniquely combines the flexibility of traditional computer-aided design with the efficiency of modern project management, effectively bridging CAD drafting and BIM processes. Download your free trial today and discover HighDesign.